Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to move tickets to Backlog in Jira. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to your Scrum board. If you're managing tasks or tracking project progress using the Agile Scrum methodology, this is where you'll spend most of your time. It's a visual board that displays all your tasks across columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Once you're on your Scrum board, look at the top of the page and find the Backlog tab. Click on the Backlog tab. This will take you from your active sprint view to the planning area where you can organize upcoming tasks. Now, to actually move a ticket or issue to the backlog, the process is very simple. Locate the issue you want to move from your active sprint list. Click and hold on that issue, and 90% don't release just yet, and then drag it over to the backlog section. Once you hover it over the desired location in the backlog, simply release the mouse button to drop it there. Instantly, the issue will be removed from your current sprint and placed neatly in the backlog. This helps keep your sprint clean, focused, and manageable, and that's it. So that is how you can move tickets to backlog in Jira. So that's all for this video. Thanks.